We know we have to prepare for the hurricane season, from our house to our pets. We have to get all those supplies, but emergency operations centers around our area, they're doing the exact same thing. We caught up with the Emergency Operations Center of St. Lucie County and Eric Gill. He says you can't hear it enough. Start preparing now because you never know when an emergency will pop up. And since the Treasure Coast hasn't seen a significant storm for more than 10 years, things have changed a bit, and they have some new features to help keep you and your family safe.
This year we added some new assets. We have a new emergency operations center. It's larger. We can accommodate a lot more folks from the outside, the utility companies. Also the use of social media. You know, we're on social media now, so we'll be putting messages out, but we ask residents to not be complacent, not rely on social media, but especially post-storm, because we may not have cell service or a battery. You know, you may not have that charger, but portable charger may not last for several days if we're without power. So the best thing to have is an AM/FM radio.
An AM/FM radio. I know a lot of people are scratching their heads. Go buy one. Here is a look at their Twitter handle if you do live on the Treasure Coast. Hopefully you'll be able to access that most of the time at St. Lucie Gov. Of course, the Emergency Operations Center is busy all year long responding to floods, storms, and fires, but it's all hands on deck when a hurricane watch or warning is issued. Be safe out there. In the studio, Aaron Guy, WPBF 25 News.